Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera buat kita semua. Ini adalah pertemuan pertama kita setelah kita melewati UAS. Kita akan masuk di semester genap. Oke, di semester genap ini pertemuan pertama. Oke. Now, we learning about English Maritime Study Pack 1, Unit 17. We will be discuss about personal injuries. In personal injuries, there's a lot of chapter. We will be discuss about personal safety, first aid kit, preventing personal injuries, chance to pass simple and negative sentence. Okay, now the first one. First one is about personal safety. Okay, you can look the picture. There's eye equipment for personal safety. The first one, safety mask. Second one is safety glass. Okay. Next, safety face shield. Safety glove. The other one, safety shoes, and safety coverall, and the last one is safety apron. This is personal safety, but there's so many personal safety equipment. This is only a small equipment. There is for chipping, for grinder, so many. But if you want to know more, you can Googling or anything. You can find a book. There's so many equipment safety personnel. Okay. This is of some personal safety for burn, for welding. Okay. Next, we're talking about first aid kit. Okay. You see the picture? Okay. Inside of first aid kit, there are have a bandage. A bandage, at least 25 bandages in various size. It should be available. Okay. Gauze, triangular bandage, sterile gauze pad. This is for bandage. Medicine and equipment. Medicine also not too much, but for quick response for emergency, we need the first one is antiseptic. Okay. The second, ointment for itchy and other skin problem. Ini antiseptik buat menghilangkan kuman ketika pertama kali terjadi luka. Oke, kemudian ini adalah salep-salep yang berhubungan dengan gatal atau masalah kulit. Kemudian aspirin and that one any prescription meds. Okay. Now the last one is equipment. Equipment for a simple squeezer, thermometer, tweezers, first flashlight. If you don't get on first aid kit, there is have a medical room. Also on bridge and so many you can get a flashlight. This is important also. eye wash solution, cotton bud, and safety glove, non-latex glove. Okay, this is also cool pack, instant cool pack for some burn. Okay. This is equipment inside of first aid kit. Okay. Emergency first aid station. Okay, look at the picture. This is first aid station. Okay, you can see the picture. There is some a different color. This is first. The green color is first aid kit. The clear color I was kit. The yellow biohazard kits, and the red color is burn kit. Sebenarnya semuanya sama, hanya untuk pertolongan pertama. Tapi yang membedakan hanya untuk eye wash, dia lebih spesifik for eye wash. If something touch in your eyes, for example, chemical or anything coming inside on your eyes, you need this kit, eye wash kit. Ini sangat membantu. When you join on board, you should know where's the position on your ship or first aid station. Okay, if something happen on your crew or something happen on you, you should be need to going quickly for find first aid station. Okay, the yellow color is biohazard kit. Biohazard kits ini you need for high risk for cleaning spill for some blood, foamy, pokoknya yang berbau-bau dengan medis. Kayak kamu kena darah atau kena muntahan. This is we can use for this case. Okay, and the last one, the red color, burn kit. Saya rasa ini lebih spesifik ke yang berbau-bau dengan panas. When something happen on you for touch on hot item, so you need to use this one. Okay. When you come on board, you should know where's the position for first aid station. It's make you easier for preventing emergency. Okay. Okay, we can next. Okay. After I told you about some material, so we need to exercise. Okay. For the first time, I will give you only 2 exercise for the first time. Okay, for mid one, I give you 2 exercise. Okay, you can write down on your paper. After complete, please send back to us. Okay, I will give you time for 1 week. I think it's enough. 1 week is too long. Okay, 2 only exercise for 1 week. Okay, let me check. Okay, read the words. Read the words match the body part with the type of protective clothing. Okay, look at the picture. There's 2 color, orange color and green color. You need to match from orange color to green color. There is one sample for safety goggles. Safety goggles for what? So we can use on eyes for preventing something happen on your eyes. We need to use safety goggles. Okay. The other one you can match number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5. So 5 number you need to match. The exercise 1. Okay, don't forget to exercise 1. Okay, we next to exercise 2. Look at the words. There are first that describe personal injury. Use a dictionary to check the meaning. Okay, so have a burn, cut break, bruise, strain, injury. Complete the sentence, change the verb to the past simple tense and write the body part. Oke, jadi kalian di sini pengen ditugaskan untuk mengganti menjadi past simple tense dan menulis bagian tubuh mana. So don't worry, we have a sample. It's make you easier. Okay, number one, this is a sample. You can continue for number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total the exercise 1, exercise is 10 number. Okay. Okay, we try to number 1 sample. Look at the picture also. The cook burn. Okay, so we need to change to past simple tense. Burn plus ed. So we put burnt. His and body part. What is this? This arm. So we put arm. The cook burned simple tense, burn his body part arm in the fire. So the cook burned his arm in the fire. Okay, so you can continue to number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So totally for your task for the first minute is 10 number. After complete, don't forget to send back to us. Okay. Thank you for attention. Good luck. See you next time.